Google Analytics is a web analytics service that provides statistics and basic analytical tools for search engine optimization, SEO, and marketing purposes. The service is part of the Google Marketing Platform and is available for free to anyone with a Google account. Google Analytics is used to track website performance and collect visitor insights. It can help organizations determine top sources of user traffic, gauge the success of their marketing activities and campaigns, track goal completions, such as purchases, adding products to carts, discover patterns and trends in user engagement, and obtain other visitor information such as demographics. Small and medium-sized retail websites often use Google Analytics to obtain and analyze various customer behavior analytics, which can be used to improve marketing campaigns, drive website traffic, and better retain visitors. How does Google Analytics work? Google Analytics acquires user data from each website visitor through the use of page tags. A JavaScript page tag is inserted into the code of each page. This tag runs in the web browser of each visitor, collecting data and sending it to one of Google's data collection servers. Google Analytics can then generate customizable reports to track and visualize data such as the number of users, bounce rates, average session durations, sessions by channel, page views, goal completions, and more. The page tag functions as a web bug or web beacon to gather visitor information. However, because it relies on cookies, the system can't collect data for users who have disabled them. Google Analytics includes features that can help users identify trends and patterns in how visitors engage with their websites. Features enable data collection, analysis, monitoring, visualization, reporting, and integration with other applications. These features include data visualization and monitoring tools, including dashboards, scorecards, and motion charts that display changes in data over time. Data filtering, manipulation, and funnel analysis. Data collection application program interfaces, APIs. Predictive analytics, intelligence, and anomaly detection. Segmentation for analysis of subsets, such as conversions. Custom reports for advertising, acquisition, audience behavior, and conversion. Email-based sharing and communication. And integration with other products, including Google Ads, Google Data Studio, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Google AdSense, Google Optimize 360, Google Search Ads 360, Google Display and Video 360, Google Ad Manager, and Google Search Console. Within the Google Analytics dashboard, users can save profiles for multiple websites and either see details for default categories or select custom metrics to display for each site. Available categories for tracking include content overview, keywords, referring sites, visitors overview, map overlay, and traffic sources overview. The dashboard can be viewed on the Google Analytics site and is available through a widget or a plugin for embedding into other sites.